and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, I was thinking when I was starting to look through all my Ibotta deals, I'm like, it's going to be a great week for Ibotta deals, but it wasn't. There are a lot of new rebates out there, but we just don't have a lot of coupons for it. But one thing I am going to say that a lot of you guys love is Ibotta. Ibotta is my very favorite app. I've been using app for 4 years. Actually, I just had my 4-year anniversary that I've been using this app. And then about 6 months to a year later is when I started doing YouTube. And then, 2 years after my 2-year anniversary is when I really started doing Ibotta hauls. Now, a lot of you guys love these because you guys like getting extra money. You get to use your app. You get to try new things. Like, I've tried so much new stuff with Ibotta that I've never tried before. But I'm going to say this, but you guys can be on my Ibotta team. Now, if you guys don't have Ibotta, you can click my referral link below. Once you guys redeem your rebates, you guys will get a $10 bonus. That's extra free $10. You guys can start redeeming money as little as $20. So what I end up doing is I roll my gift cards. So I buy something, and then my next trip I'll use that money for that gift card. So that's what I kind of do. But if you guys want to be on my Ibotta team, what you guys can do is if you already clicked my referral link, you guys are already on my team no matter what. You can or cannot do this if you want. It's up to you. But you guys can friend request me on Facebook. Now, I do have a personal Facebook page with my name, and then I have a Ibotta Facebook page, okay? The Ibotta one, my profile background picture says Ibotta. I have a lot of people that friend request me on my personal page. I will deny you. I only allow people that I know on my personal page. Some of you guys say you can't find the link and that's what you found. Yeah, I have the link below. A lot of you guys have found it, so I'm not trying to be mean. I just hear the same story over and over again that they couldn't find me, but you guys find my personal page, but not my Ibotta one. So I do have the link. Now there's 2 different pages for you guys can join. You can do deals by DesignerJen if you want to do it that way. But then there's also my Facebook page. So you guys can be friends with me on Facebook. You just got to make sure your account is linked to your Facebook page in order to be on the same team. Now, I do check people's profiles, okay? I've had people who just started a profile that day. I will deny you because I don't know if you guys are truly a couponer or not. I check out your profile to make sure you guys seem legit. I've had to deny a lot of people. I even block people. I also block people who send me tons of messages. Like, if you guys send me a link for something stupid, and you continue doing it, I will block you. I just had to block somebody yesterday because she keeps sending me the same crap about win this. I don't click on that stuff. I don't click on it, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I'm not trying to be mean. I just get a lot of notifications, so just trying to ease up. And I'm out of breath. But let's just stop talking so I can share with you guys my Walmart haul. What I ended up getting is quite a few food items, which I was pretty excited for. I wanted to get more cereal deals, but my store didn't have a lot of the cereal deals. Like, I was going to do that Hostess donut cereal, but they didn't have the right size. Like, you got to make sure you scan those items while you're at the store. So what I do is I always have my phone with me. I grab the product and I scan it just to make sure it qualifies, because there are times where I buy the product and it doesn't qualify, and then I'm just like, so I always check the app to make sure it qualifies. But I ended up getting some lean cuisine meals. Now, I am not a big fan of lean cuisine. I'll eat it if I have to, but my husband takes these to work with him. He likes the pizza ones. So these were at my store $2.50. Now, make sure you guys scan your Walmart Pay app when you guys are doing the checkouts. All you have to do is just scan it, and then at the very end you guys can submit it after you're done with your transaction. And the reason is because most of the time my grocery store has these on sale for like super cheap. So I have a feeling like in a couple days I will probably get money back with Walmart Pay for Savings Catcher. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these were $2.50. They've been cheaper at other places, but I wanted to do this deal. So you guys want to buy 4 of them. So I got 3 pizzas. And then I got the sweet and spicy cream beef. My husband eats these for lunch. These were $2.50, so that's $10 right there. I mean, not the greatest deal, but hey, you know. But there is a deal on Ibotta where if you buy 4 of them, you get $4 back. So that comes out to be $6. So that comes out to be $1.50 a piece, which could be an okay deal. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if Savings Catchers catches anything. My area sucks with Savings Catcher, but I still submit the receipt anyways, because hey, a couple cents does add up. So $6 or $1.50, not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys are looking at deals for food, I'm trying to, you know, share with you guys more food deals, because I always feel like we get personal care products like crazy, just not a lot of food deals. The next deal I'm super excited for is Trix. I love Trix. I don't ever really get coupons. Well, I do get the General Mills coupons, but I don't really coupon very much for Trix, and I wish I did because I love Trix. My pregnancy craving for the last month has been cereal. Like Cocoa Pebbles is all I've been eating. Like I'll eat dinner and then I'm hungry, Cocoa Pebbles. Cocoa Pebbles. And then when I'm out of Cocoa Pebbles, I have regular cereal. So I am like just craving cereal for this whole pregnancy. But these were $2.98. Now I did use a $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can get from coupons.com. But I also, you guys could do this deal with 2 different Trix boxes if you want, or you could do a different cereal. I did a different cereal. So we're just going to say 50 cents off the $1 off a 2. So the 50 cents came off. You guys would pay $2.48 for 50 cents off of that. But then you guys can submit a $1 off of Ibotta, making this $1.48. I usually say $1 or under for a box of cereal is a pretty good price, but I never get Trix like at Walgreens or Target. Most of the time it's Walgreens is where I get most of my cereal at. So I think whatever, that's a pretty good deal. But then with the other half of my $50 off a 2 coupon, I ended up getting Honey Nut Cheerios. Now, I love Honey Nut Cheerios. So these were $3.64 with that $1 off a 2, so 50 cents. You guys would pay $3.14 for this. But then you guys can get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making it $1.64, which I think $1.64 for the family size is a pretty good deal. I don't have one of those small boxes that we usually get from Walgreens, but I want to say this is about twice the size. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in cereal. Yes, now I got raisins. Now, a couple weeks ago on coupons.com, there was some raisin coupons, and I said to print those off because they don't expire till May. Those were awesome coupons. They're no longer available anymore. But I knew there was going to be some kind of good deal for them, so I had to get them. And I like raisins. It's good to have a little snack here and there. So these were $2.16. These are the mini stacks. There's 12 little mini boxes in here for $2.16. And these are the 6-pack for $1.98. Okay. Like I said, there was a printable coupon a couple weeks ago for $1 off of 2 raisins coupon. So hopefully you guys still have those. You guys would pay $3.14 for this. You guys will get 50 cents back with these raisins. And you'll get 50 cents back with these raisins for Ibotta, making it $2.14 or $1.07 a piece, which I think is an okay deal for good for raisins. I mean, it's a good healthy snack. I don't know how healthy it is, but it's a good healthy snack for me. They did have like other types of raisins, but I won't really eat those, but I know I'll definitely eat these. So wanted to share with you guys with that in case you guys are craving some raisins. I got this Snuggle Renews It pack. Now, there was a $1.50 off coupon that we got in our inserts like 2 weeks ago or last week. I cannot remember. But on at my store, there was a $2 off Peelies, so I used that $2 off coupon. So check your guys' store and see if you guys have those Peelies. But this was $6.48. I used that $2 off Peely. You guys would pay $4.48 for this. But then you guys can submit $3 with Ibotta, making it $1.48. So that comes out to be, I don't know. It smells like Snuggle. It smells like Snuggle. So had to get that. I'm not much into these kind of oil things, but I still get them just to share with you guys on deals. I get a lot of stuff just to share with you guys on stuff, even though I might not use it. I still get it to share with you guys on that. And I'm out of breath. Sorry, I'm like yawning even though I'm not really tired. These are $4.28. I used a $3 off coupon that we got, I think in our 127 Smart Source or 120, I can't remember. But you guys want to use that $3 off coupon. You guys would pay $1.28 for these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 78 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal for some bars. This is oatmeal raisin, which I like, so we got that. I don't know why I'm yawning already. I'm sorry, you guys. I know back in the beforehand, I used to do so many videos where I was yawning. People were like, "You're making me yawn." I'm like, "I'm sorry." I've been pretty good on not trying to yawn. The next, I was going to get the Bic razors, but I didn't have any Bic coupons for those razors, so I didn't get those. Otherwise, there was a really good deal with Checkout 51, but again, I didn't do the deal. I ended up getting Right Guard. Now, there are no coupons for this one. There might be some coupons out there for the other one, but this one was the cheaper one. So this was just $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents. So thought, you know what, for 97 cents, just to get some deals on Ibotta, I thought I'll go for it with that. And then I got the soft soap, regular soap. Now the coupons that you guys can print off off the soft soap website are for the bigger ones. They're not for the smaller ones. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But these were these were 98 cents a piece. So you guys would pay $1.96 for both of these. But there is a deal on Ibotta for 55 cents off of 2. So you guys want to use or submit for that. They come out to be $1.41 or just 70 cents a piece. Again, not the greatest deal, but I'm trying to share with you guys as many deals as I can so you guys can get some good deals with other things with Ibotta. So we got that. So that was my haul. Not much, but I was pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. I'm glad I got some cereal and, well, obviously cereal, but I'm glad I got some food items. Like, that's what I'm excited for, is actually getting food items. I don't coupon for groceries very often, because a lot of that stuff we get coupons for are for a lot of junk food and not really good food. But I want to start shopping at Aldi's, so once in a while I might go shopping at Aldi's and do a little grocery haul for you guys. I just kind of the spur of the moment kind of person, but we'll figure that out. Sorry, I had to take a little breather. I'm like super out of breath. It's this pregnancy. I hate it. I'm usually fine, but ever since I found out I was pregnant, you know, my breathing has just been crazy. And it's always when I'm doing my videos. It's never anywhere else. I think it's because I talk the most when I do my videos and I don't have anybody else to talk to, so I can't pause to breathe. So there's that. But my total came to $28.45 for everything. I only had 4 physical coupons. I know, that's crazy. That's like that's the least coupons I've ever used at Walmart, which was fine. Everything went by smoothly, but it was just crazy. I ended up getting $12.55 back with Ibotta. I hit streak 1, which I think I needed 9 rebates to hit that. So I got that. So that was 50 cents right there for a bonus. And then I finished level 2, which is $1. So we got $1. Oh my god, why am I yawning so much? I'm not even tired. But my total came to $14.40. I got 13 items. Everything came to $1.10. So not the greatest deal. But hey, I will take some of those frozen meals for $1.10, and I'll take these cereals for $1.10. So I think that's an okay deal. I'm pretty excited to get food, you know, instead of just crap and personal care products that I get every single week. It's nice to get food. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Hopefully you guys have a good shopping haul at Walmart. Don't forget to friend request me if you guys want to be on my team, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.